Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago I harvested my turmeric. So this is what I got, and I want to go ahead and start processing them. Since I harvested them, I washed them and then just let them out to start curing. But I actually want to go ahead and make turmeric powder. So to do that, I need to boil them for a few minutes, and after that then I'll start the drying process, and once they dry then I'll grind them into powder. That will take a couple of days. The drying process takes a few days because I'll just be drying them out in the sun. I don't have a dehydrator. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I have some water here that's starting to, I just put on the stove. I'll go ahead and boil these. For maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So boiling them will help, it will start gelatinizing, and it will help the drying process. You don't have to boil if you don't want to, if you just have a small batch, or if you just want to take it slow. This just helps with the drying process. So it's in there, and we just need a little bit of water just to make sure they are covered. So I'll let that boil for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll start slicing them. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's actually been about 5 minutes. So, and it's boiling. I'll let it go for another 2 minutes before I stop it. Okay, we are done. Stop that. You can see the color is already being extracted. Okay. I will let them cool down a little bit here in this plastic plate. I don't want to use, then I'll need to chop them up, but I don't want to use a cutting board because it will stay in the cutting board. So I'll just cut them on this plastic takeout plate. Okay, all right, let it cool down for a little bit before we proceed to the next step. And this water, I'll just, I'll dump it. I won't use it, so I'll just dump this remnant water. Okay, they've cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and start slicing them. Just thin slices. That's all. Very thin, so they can dry. It will help with the drying. And also the smaller pieces, when I'm grinding them, it will be easier to grind if the pieces are smaller. And, see. Okay, I'll do the rest and come back once I'm finished. Okay, I've chopped them all up. At this point, I can take them outside to start drying, but today it's cloudy. To try to start drying in the sun, it's cloudy, and more than likely I'll forget them outside. So I'll just let them dry slowly on the countertop here. It will take a few days because we want it all the way. They'll shrink a lot in size. We want it completely dry. So we'll get that process started. It will take a few days, and we'll just I'll give progress shots as it dries. Okay, so I'll pause here for now, and we'll come back as they start to dry. I've actually decided to let them dry by the windowsill. I'll be starting some seeds today, so this area I'll be leaving this window open for the next few weeks. So I might as well put them here so that I can keep an eye on them right here. So this is where they will be for the next couple of days as they dry. Okay, so it's 4 days later, and this is how the turmeric looks like. It's really dry. So this is what we have. It's fully dehydrated, and all the water has evaporated. So now I want to go ahead and grind it so that we can have turmeric powder. I'll use this milling, the milling contraption for the NutriBullet. Okay. See. Okay, that's enough. I was going to sieve it, but I don't think it's necessary. I think, let's see what we have. Let's see, I do a little bit. It's very fine, smells wonderful. Okay. I'll put it in this salt shaker. Okay. Let's grind this one more time. Okay, so we are done. I'll label this. This is what we are left with. I can run it one more time, but I don't think it's needed. I'll just dump that out. So this is our final. I don't have a closed jar right now. Once I get a jar, I'll transfer this to something that's closed, and then I'll store it in the refrigerator. Since it doesn't have preservatives, it's just turmeric as is. Okay, so I'll stop this video right here. I think we have a good product, and turmeric lasts for a very long time, so this should be good, who knows, for the next few months or maybe for the rest of the year. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your attention, and I will catch you all on the next one. Okay, bye.